Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 5 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Tap on the contacts and find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So I'll pick maybe this one. Tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. And now we have to simply tap on the circle or tap on add picture. So here, here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So our own gallery, we can open the camera app immediately, Google Photos, where we've got our backed up photos, Monogram, so basically we can set for example the first letter of the name or the surname as the photo, let's say. We can change the background color, we can also change the font, or we can pick something from the illustrations which are free of charge and they are available online. So it's quite a nice option, especially in the situation if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So just find the photo which you'd like to use and then tap on it. Let me pick maybe this one. Here we've got presets if you wish to change the colors, and basically in this section you will be able to zoom in or out the photo, change the position of it, change the size of this highlighted square or circle actually, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.